Hi guys! Welcome back! I know you've watched several videos on how to make money online, but those websites that they share don't really help you. But don't worry, because in today's video, I will share 2 websites that will help you to earn big money. But I have 2 warnings for you as well. If you want to earn real money, I want you to listen carefully and watch carefully. I want you to not skip any part of this video. Because if you do, you will not earn any money because in this video, every detail matters and every second of this video matters. This is a new method that works on all devices that are available at your home. You can use your phone, your laptop, and even your tablet. Of course, you do not need any experience, you do not need any of those college degrees, you do not need any money to pay up, and the good news is, this is available worldwide. You should watch this video carefully and follow the steps very carefully. I suggest for you to finish this video because I will teach you a website that can help us make money online, but not just one website, but 2 websites. I personally love these 2 websites because these websites were created in 2007 and 2011. Also, you know that if these websites are scams and are not actually working, these websites will get banned and will receive some reports and these websites will be destroyed. But enough of the talking. I know you are very excited about watching this video because I am excited too. I want you to earn money as soon as possible. So what are we waiting for? Let's roll the intro. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. McMoney, where we teach you the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content like this. Go ahead and like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Now let's go back to the video. These websites are user-friendly websites because you do not need any college degrees, you do not need any experience, and the good news is, this works in any part of the world. This video is for you. That is why wherever you are, you can make money online. And isn't that great? These websites are absolutely 100% free and you do not need to prepare some money. Also, I know we are not that rich to have so many gadgets at our home. And that is why some of us only have 1 phone, 1 laptop, but if you have any of those gadgets, you can probably use that and actually earn money. That is the use of the internet, folks. The internet doesn't only help us to have fun, to be entertained, to play games, to watch movies, but it can actually help us to earn money while staying home. So what are we waiting for? Let's now browse the website. So this is the website that we're going to use. As you can see, like what I've told you earlier, this website is established in 2007. If this website is actually a scam, this website would have been destroyed in 2008. Because some people will actually report this website if they call this website a scam. People don't report this and this website is still working because people are actually earning from this website. This website has a total of 260,000 plus members. This website has a lot of members and also these 260,000 plus people also received a payment of $349,969.50. Wow! Now, do you want to earn extra cash, gift cards, and prizes? I suggest for you to use this website because it's so easy to earn with this website. Now, we can earn money by completing offers, by taking surveys, playing games, signing up for free sites, signing up for free trials, and earning cashbacks by shopping online. The good news is this is absolutely free. Signing up to this website will not ask you to pay up some money. This website is absolutely great. Just by seeing this offer that membership is always 100% free, you can actually tell that there is no reason not to try this website. Because who doesn't want to try it? You will not lose anything if you try it. Also, you can earn passive income if you refer your friends to this website. What's actually great about referring is, if someone earns money using this website, you will earn 25% of their income. And that is so cool. Also, you can earn $1 for every successful referral. They also included here what you will earn on this website. You can earn dollars, gift cards, and prizes that will be sent to you the very next day. Also, you will earn more if you participate in their daily and monthly contests, and your earnings will really start to add up. As you scroll down below, you will actually see real payment proofs of this website have been sent to people. Below that, you will see people's comments about this website and they are actually happy and satisfied with this website. Because who wouldn't be? This is an absolutely free website and you will actually earn money. If you're enjoying this video, please click the subscribe button down below so I can make more videos like this. Also, if you like this video, click the like button below and share this to your friends so you can help them earn money too. Now let's go back. To get started, beside it you will see that you just need to input your email address and that is it. Also, what I actually love about this website is, just by joining, you will already earn $3. That is just for joining, okay? I know that all of you want to cash out your money quickly, because me too. If I am trying a website that promises to make me money online, I would want to cash it out right away. And that is why this website has so many payment methods. They can pay you through PayPal, through Check, Amazon Pay, Twala, eBay, Walmart, Visa, Starbucks, Target, iTunes, CVS or Pharmacy, Bath & Body Works, and Best Buy. And this website is called SquishyCash.com. So what is SquishyCash.com? SquishyCash works with advertisers to pay you for signing up for free sites, completing offers, taking surveys, trying products, and shopping online. When you complete an action on an advertiser's website from SquishyCash, they are notified by the advertiser regarding the completion, and in turn, they will credit your account. Their advertisers pay you for your actions and they split the profits with you. You will receive by the next day the payments and prizes. You will earn $1 per active referral and 25% of their cash and chips earnings. And you can earn even more cash by participating in their daily, weekly, and monthly contests. As you scroll down again, you will see their members' testimonials. So to get started using this website, just enter your email address and that is it. You have successfully created an account. Okay, so just a quick interruption, guys. I want to get to know you guys better, so I have some questions for you. I want to know what part of the world my viewers are in. That is why I will ask you, what country are you from, guys? Because I want to make a video that is available in your country specifically. Because I want to keep sharing websites on my videos that are available in different parts of the world. Comment down below so I can see your comments and I can know where you guys are from. Now let's go back to the video. Remember I promised you 2 websites? Now here's the second one. This website is called rewardingways.com. This website can actually help us earn money by completing online surveys, watching videos, and so on. As you can see right here, you will get paid fast, and what is great about this is you will get paid within 24 hours. That is actually pretty cool. On this website, we have so many payment methods. We can get paid through PayPal, Skrill, Amazon Pay, Tango, and also they can pay us through cryptocurrency, and that is through Bitcoin. In this section right here, you can see what this website offers you and how you can earn money. You will get paid just by accessing online paid surveys, watching videos, you can get paid in taking trials, you can also earn free gift cards. You can earn Tango gift cards, Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, Nike gift cards, and many more. As you can see right here, this website can guarantee you that this website is actually legitimate. You will see right here that this website is trusted by Trustpilot. To actually confirm it, go to Google and search Trustpilot. If you are in Trustpilot.com already, search for rewardingways.com. As you can see, this website has 741 reviews. This website has 4.7% stars, so that rating is actually good. As you scroll down again, you can see that this website does not only show the ratings of the people, you can also see the reviews and comments of these very people. If you watch their reviews very carefully, you can see that their comments are actually very happy because they are very satisfied with this website and they are actually happy because they are earning money. That is why I suggest that after watching this video, go straight to your laptop or cell phone and actually try this out, because you will not lose anything. That is why I suggest for you to listen to my instructions carefully and watch very carefully, because if you know the steps and you know the procedures of every website, you have the knowledge to actually earn money. If you are not satisfied with what I taught you in this video, you can scroll down below and you can see this YouTube link. This YouTube link is a tutorial on how you can earn money in rewardingways.com. To get started, click this button right here that says Join Free. After clicking that, just fill up the information that was stated, and after creating an account, your screen should look like this after you log in. As you can see, I have a balance of $0.20 cash balance. And these are my points, total paid, and total referrals that I did. Also, right here, you can see that you have so many offers. These offers are websites that offer you surveys, and you will actually earn points. Also, I will teach you how to withdraw your cash. Just click right here that says Withdraw Cash. And that's it. If you liked the video and if you learned something, smash the like button for me and click subscribe. Don't forget the notification bell, okay? As always, if you have questions, concerns, and comments, just go to the comments section down below. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!